Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful Wave Animations image slider to your WordPress site. You can easily add this kind of wave slide section to your WordPress within minutes, just like you're currently viewing on your screen. This slider is not just a normal image slider. It has a smooth wave animation effect where the images gently flow side to side in a continuous loop, creating a dynamic, eye-catching section for your website. First, install and activate the plugin on your WordPress site. You can find the plugin link in the video description. It's completely CSS-based, lightweight, and works seamlessly with any page builder, including Elementor and Gutenberg. Once activated, you'll see a new menu called Wave Slider in your admin dashboard. Click on it to open the settings. Here's where the magic happens. Click the Add Image button to upload images for your slider. You can select multiple images at once, and you'll see a thumbnail preview for each image, making it easy to know which image is which. You can also easily reorder your images by dragging and dropping them in the list. Once you're happy with your images, click Save Slider. Now, to display the slider on any page, just copy the shortcode Wave Slider and paste it anywhere. Elementor, Gutenberg, or any page builder will work perfectly. My website is built with Elementor, so I'll add the slider to the homepage using the Elementor shortcode widget. I'm going to place it in a full width section for the best visual effect. Follow along with my steps. And that's it. Your Wave Animations image slider is live on your page. It's super easy to set up, looks amazing, and will make your WordPress pages pop. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends. The download link is in the video description, and it's completely free. Be sure to subscribe for future updates, as I'll be adding more features to this simple free add-on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.